I'm Rachel.
And I'm Allie.
And we had Cliche, Paradox, and Oxymoron.
So a cliche is an expression or idea that has been overused to the point of being very annoying. An example would be like, once upon a time to start out a story, or when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And a literary example of this is, it was a dark and stormy night, and that's from the book Paul Clifford by Edward Bulwer Lytton. So yeah, that's what a cliche is.
And once again, that's just an expression or idea that has been overused to the point of losing originality.
And a paradox is a statement that contradicts itself, but it still seems like it is legit. So, an example would be, nobody goes to the restaurant because it's always crowded. That sounds like, if you didn't really look at it, it sounds like it makes sense, but if nobody goes to the restaurant, how can it be crowded?
Yeah.
But it's still crowded anyway. And a literary example of this is, I must be cruel to be kind, which is a quote from Hamlet. I'm not sure which actor's scene, but it's by Shakespeare.
Okay. And then our last word was oxymoron, and that's a rhetorical figure in which contradictory terms are combined. And in case you forgot, a rhetorical figure is a term associated with the rhetoric technique of using English effectively. Rhetoric, last year. Okay, from literature, an example of an oxymoron is feather of lead, bright smoke, cold fire, sick health, still waking, sleep, that not what it is. And that's from Romeo and Juliet, Act 1, Scene 1. And the oxymoron there helps to exaggerate the idea that Romeo was kind of in a mess, or he was unstable, and because he was just kind of all over the place after he broke up with this girl. And some normal examples of an oxymoron is civil war, deafening silence, and bittersweet. And that's it.